If your monitor isn't displaying anything when connected to your Lenovo docking station via DisplayPort, it's likely due to driver issues, cable problems, or incorrect settings. We'll explore the most common culprits and how to fix them. The most common cause is driver issues. Outdated graphics drivers on your laptop prevent the dock from properly detecting and sending signals to the monitor. This often shows as a black screen or no signal error. Cable problems are another frequent culprit. Faulty or non-certified USB-C to DisplayPort cables can't handle the bandwidth needed for high resolutions like 4K at 60 Hz, leading to blank screens. Incorrect settings can also cause issues. If your monitor's refresh rate or resolution exceeds what the dock supports, you'll get no display. Lenovo docks typically support up to 4K at 60 Hz on DisplayPort. Ensure the DisplayPort cable is securely connected to both the docking station and the monitor. Check both ends of the cable to ensure a firm connection. Try unplugging and replugging the cable at both ends. Also, verify that you're using a certified USB-C to DisplayPort cable, especially if running high resolutions like 4K or higher. Low-quality cables often fail to deliver the required bandwidth. Outdated or corrupt graphics drivers are a primary cause of DisplayPort issues. Open Device Manager by searching for it in Windows. Expand the Display Adapters section to see your graphics cards. Right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver, then choose Search automatically for drivers. Restart your computer after the update is complete. For Step 3, verify your display settings in Windows. Start by opening Windows Settings, then navigate to System and click on Display. Once in the display settings, ensure that your external monitor is detected. If it's not showing up, click the Detect button at the bottom to search for connected displays. If your monitor is detected, check that the resolution and refresh rate are set correctly. For 4K monitors, make sure you're using a 60 Hz refresh rate. Remember that your USB-C cable must support the required bandwidth for this resolution and refresh rate. Now, check the Lenovo dock firmware. Outdated firmware can cause DisplayPort connectivity issues, but updates like version 3.2.1 often resolve bugs related to DP Alt mode. To update, visit the Lenovo support website. Search for your specific model, such as ThinkPad USB-C Dock Gen 2 or Lenovo USB-C Hybrid Dock. Download the latest firmware update from Lenovo's site. This ensures your dock has the newest fixes for compatibility issues. Install the update and restart your system. This step often fixes DisplayPort problems without needing hardware replacement. Step 5 focuses on troubleshooting the USB-C connection. Start by trying a different USB-C port on your laptop when connecting the docking station. Not all USB-C ports are created equal. Ensure the port supports DisplayPort Alternate Mode, or DP Alt mode, which allows video signals through the USB-C cable. Some ports may only support data transfer and charging, not video output. This can cause DisplayPort issues if the wrong port is used. Consult your laptop's manual to verify which ports support DP Alt mode and video output capabilities. If the problem persists after trying previous steps, the docking station itself might be faulty. Begin by inspecting the DisplayPort connector on the dock for any physical damage such as bent pins or debris. If possible, test the dock with another computer and a different monitor to isolate whether the issue is with the dock hardware or the original setup. If hardware failure is suspected, contact Lenovo support for professional repairs or replacement under warranty. Older docks may be covered by free repair programs due to class action lawsuits settled in recent years. Check Lenovo's website for eligibility based on your model and purchase date. To prevent future DisplayPort problems with your Lenovo dock, start by using certified cables that meet DisplayPort standards for reliable connections. Regularly update your graphics drivers and dock firmware to maintain compatibility and fix known issues. Protect your dock from overheating and physical damage by keeping it in a cool, stable environment. For improved DisplayPort performance, upgrade to a newer docking station with Thunderbolt 4 support, which provides higher bandwidth. When replacing old docks, recycle them properly as e-waste to minimize environmental impact.